Hello guys, big celebration today.
You're in the good spot. Well, preview can be right now.
Nice celebrate.
Thanks for having me. Naka-mic ka? Galing na mamaya, ha? Baka tuwi ka siya. Bigay ka na ganyan. Want a drink? Stay there, stay there. You want a group or you want to
Hi! Hi to my vlog!
You're the official photographer.
Yeah, no. For my channel only. Hi to my vlog! Thank you. Guys,
Congratulations!
siya ang nagbigay ng cellphone ko, guys. Thank you for vlog.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah, thank you very much. The black box. Hello.
Hey.
Thank you. Balikan ko na yung aking oyster. Guys, nakapila ko sa oyster kanina pa. Ewan ko ba kung makuha ko yung ano ko. Hello. Nandiyan na yung ano ko? Yung aking oyster. Nakapila yung aking oyster. Ang hirap magpila. Kanina pa yung sa akin.
No pressure. I want it.
Saka pala dyan. Raclette! So good.
Ayun.
Oh no, yan na yung sa akin. Ang tagal ng aking oyster. Ayan na guys, sa wakas. Yes, binablog ko nga siya. Oh, nagsweldo na ako 4 times. Ayan guys, oh.
Oo nga eh.
Yan, okay. Sa wakas, na kumpleto rin. Thank you very much.
Sure po.
Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye.